In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off and disable app notifications on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the system launcher and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select apps. And then on the right side underneath apps, select notifications. And there should be something that says manage app notifications near the top. Go ahead and select that. And any apps that currently have notifications toggled to the right, that means it's on. I'm just going to click inside of it to turn it to the left, which will disable those notifications. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.